Hey guys, it's a back video. Today, I'll be showing you how to solve the skewb.
It ain't my fault.
The skewb is divided into 3 parts, including creating a layer, solving these centers, and then finishing up the rest of the cube. I will show you how to solve the skewb with only one algorithm, which is a very easy algorithm. So let's go ahead and get our skewb scrambled. So the first thing that you do is you go to a center. I would normally start with white if I were you. So you pick a center and then you solve all these corners. So you essentially put the corners into their slots like that. That one goes into that one, and then that one finally goes into that one. As you can see, I have 3 solved, but this last one is not solved. So how you solve it is you bring it up, you bring it out, you bring this corner out, you bring the slot back down, and then you bring it out. For its reverse, if you have this case, you just do the exact same thing. You bring up the slot, bring the corner over, bring the slot back down, and then over again. Now, I will show you where the one algorithm takes place. It is called the sledgehammer, and it is R prime, L, R, L prime, and it's a very easy algorithm. So, what you want to do is, so you look what is on top. So in this case, mine is green, and you look for these 2 pieces that are green. So as you can see, green and this matches up green. In this case, this specific pops up, but you can just ignore all of these pieces, and then this center. You can just ignore all those pieces. So you want to do the algorithm, the sledgehammer, R prime, L, R, L prime. As you can see, that center from up there has been placed down here. Now you look at your next center color, which is red, and find the red corners. Do the sledgehammer, R prime, L, R, L prime. Blue and blue, sledgehammer. And then green and green again. And now, if you have the case where the top on the yellow, the color on top is the yellow piece, then just pick any random center and do the sledgehammer on it. That pops up a new color center. So now we have orange, and now blue and blue, green and green. From here, you can have 2 cases. You can have this one, or you can have this one. First one I'm going to show you is the other case. Oops. So I'm going to show you how to solve this case, where there are 0 corners on top, and there's the center on top, with everything else solved. So you hold it like this, with the headlights pointing to the left, and you do this algorithm. You do 2 sledgehammers, so R prime, L, R, L prime, R prime, L, R, L prime. Now, as you can see, it's solved. But if you have the case where it is like this, it is something a little different, but you still do the same thing. So you hold it like this, so that the diagonal line goes from the top right corner to the bottom left corner. And you don't want to have it like this, where you can see both of the corners. You want to have it like this, where you see no corners. So now you just do the exact same algorithm that I just taught you. Double sledgehammer. So sledgehammer 1, sledgehammer 2. And then now you get to this case where you just do 2 sledgehammers. Time for example solves. So I'm just going to scramble this cube. Okay, so I see white, 1, 2. So I see these 2 corners. So that one is in place, that one is in place. I see this one. And then this one's already done for me. Now I have to rotate 2 of them. So up, over, down, back. And then on the other side, up, over, down, back. Now blue and blue. It's the same algorithm, except I'm doing it with a different sledgehammer, with a different finger trick. So red and red, sledgehammer, green and green, sledgehammer, and then blue and blue, sledgehammer. I have this case, which is double sledgehammer. Last example solve. So I see that one, and then you just have to rotate 2. Green or green sledgehammer, red and red sledgehammer. Now it's on the white is on top, so you can just go on any center. Orange and orange, and then red and red. I get this case, which is double sledgehammer, and then I do this case with just double sledgehammer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Let's aim for 1 like, and I'll like you right there to be that 1 like. Comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. See you in the video. Also, I will be holding a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm really close. I'm at 80. And also, make sure to leave a comment on a video idea that you want to see me do. And I will be making a part 2 on how to get good at skewb. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Let's aim for 1 like. And I'll like you right there watching this video to be my 1 like. Comment and subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. See you.